Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you, dear students. Last class we discussed about the factors of production. Behind any production of the product, there are four factors of production. Factors of production. Which are the factors of production? Do you remember? Okay, for example, producing pen, book, pencil, chocolate of any goods. Okay, first one, land. Land is the first factors of production. Land is the companion of the natural resources, just like air, soil, water, sunlight, wind, the minerals. That's we call the land. Land is the first one. Second one, labor. Labor is the factors of production that secured their reward by using the physical, mental, and intellectual skill. Third one, capital. Okay, capital is the asset or facilities which used for the factors of production. Okay, so that is the third one. And here we are going to discuss about manpower in labor. In labor, among the labor, the manpower is the most important one. What is manpower? Manpower means using human beings, humans' physical skill, mental skill, intellectual skill, and which using for the production. We have a number of these. Now, next one, capital. What is capital? Capital is the facilities which used for the production of the product. Machines, vehicles, instruments, then electricity, everything we called. Here look, computers, vehicles, machines which can be used in production are also considered as capital. That means capital is tangible and visible man-made things. Okay, tangible and visible man-made things which production we called capital. Computers, vehicles, machines, and then next one, instruments. Okay, tools. These are we called what capital. Features of capital. Capital helps the other factors of production. Capital enhances the production skill of laborers. Capital has a mobility. First one, capital helps us other factors of production. For example, a machine in mill, computer in office, then capital enhances the production skill of laborers. The laborers can easily. The fourth one, organization. Organization is the fourth factors of production. First one, land, labor, capital, and fourth one, organization. Organization. What is organization? Organization means using land, labor, capital, and which coordinate for the production or process that we called organization. Land, labor, capital, and which using for the organization and which used the coordinate land, labor, capital, and which coordinate the products that we called organization. Okay, ഈ വസ്തുക്കളെല്ലാം കൂടി ഒരുമിച്ച് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതിനെ ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ എന്നാണ് വിളിക്കുന്നത്. Okay, land, labor, capital, and which coordinate that we called organization. Organization leads to the production of the product. Okay, so if there is no organization, there will not be any product. Okay, so organization is the main important factors of production. Okay, so please remember the factors of production: land, labor, capital, organization. Now the next two, circular flow of economic activities. Please look in this chart diagram. You can see that what is the speciality, and we provide the industries or the production sector provide the goods and service. Okay, then we will provide the prices of goods and service, again which provided the factors of production, then which provide the rewards for the factors of production. Okay, that we will called the circular flow of economic activities. Okay, any institution which provide the goods and services to us, and we provide the prices of the